Where you going? You like your new book bag?
Whoa! Come on, let's go.
Come on, Leah.
Alright, stop. Let's go.
Say, Leah, look here.
Stop being choked. Stop it. Get me out of here.
We horrible. Whoa, wait, where you going? Oh, you broke it.
Is it still recorded that it's broke? It broke. So much for that. So much for that.
I'm gonna have to go buy
Jazz,
another one.
No, you know how to sew.
Doesn't matter. Look, you broke it. You think you slick, girl. You broke it. So
Where
much
you
for
come
that.
from talking shit?
No, because he saw her fall. We was like, damn it, she broke it.
Word, we're not even worried about the food.
Leah, you broke your book bag.
Nah, you know how to sew, Jazz. Just
I'm so mad. Yeah, I'm gonna sew it, but.
Yeah, it's $1, my nigga.
Leah, you broke your book
I
bag.
hold her.
No, hell no.
It's recording.
Oh, it's
Your
still?
big face. Leah, you broke the bag. What do you have to say? What do you have to say to yourself?
Yeah, for real. Mommy just bought that book bag.
Huh? Oh, it's